Hi everyone, welcome to another video with the Birding Life. And for the past few weeks we've been playing around with this Canon's latest device, which we think is going to help you with your birding. It's a monocular, it's a camera, and it's a video recorder. So stay tuned to find out if it can help you with your birding. Jumping straight in, as you can see, it's quite small in terms of fitting in the palm of your hand, and it's very light. I'll put the weight up here shortly. Feeling around, there's a rubberized back piece over here which you can push against your eye. For those people that wear spectacles like myself, there's no worry about eye relief because you could press your spectacles right up to the screen over here. Looking at the buttons, we find the power button, menu, zoom all on the top. Underneath there is the photo button, which you would push to take a photograph, the record button to record video, and then a diopter dial, which you can use to change the focus based on your specific eyes. The PowerShot Zoom does come with this little lanyard over here which can go around your wrist, just to keep you with it, and then the front aspect ratio over here has got a lens protector. However, it does pick up a few fingerprints as you use it. This PowerShot Zoom also has a microphone, so it can record sound with your video, which we'll show you in a short while when we give you some of the sample footage. And that's just a view of the electronic viewfinder. It has got a little sensor over here, so it can detect when your face is pushed up against it to trigger the power for the electronic viewfinder. But this is what it looks like in the hand, and just to give you a size comparison over here. Charging the Canon PowerShot Zoom is simple. You open the side door on the side of the body where you can charge with the USB-C connector, and this is where the micro SD card can slot in to keep your photographs and your video once you have recorded those onto the unit. Scrolling through the menu system can be a little bit tedious because you have to look through the viewfinder, access each function on the top of the device. However, all the camera functions are available, and you can access your media through the play button to watch your videos and to look at the images as well. This is filming at 800 mils of a male African paradise flycatcher. 100 mils, 400 mils. 400 mils is definitely more stable. 800 mil zoomed in seems a lot less stable. So 800 mils. Yellow belly greenbill, mils again, yellow belly greenbill, mil seems to be the optimal zoom length here. 800 just gets far too shaky, certainly for my hands. And you also can lose the bird with the decreased field of view. The minimum focus distance is also quite greatly reduced. I'm focused here on a dragonfly, and it's no more than 1.5 meters away from me, so I need to be about 4 meters. Again, backlit. It's a typical birding situations. I'm at 100 mils here, that's 400. and then at 800. Thanks so much for watching. So in conclusion, who is the Canon PowerShot Zoom for? Is it worth taking with you birding, and would I recommend it? So the Canon PowerShot Zoom is for someone that perhaps doesn't have a full DSLR or mirrorless camera system with an extended zoom lens or anything like that, that's still looking to take some photos while out birding, but doesn't want to get into a full system, spend lots and lots of money on having the same ability to take photos and videos of birds. The pros of the Canon PowerShot Zoom is that it's incredibly light, portable, it can just fit in your pocket, especially in a South African context where safety is sometimes a concern. It's easily concealed in your pocket, and we would recommend it from that point of view. For a hardcore birder or anyone else that's really worried about image quality, I don't think that the Canon PowerShot Zoom is going to be for you. It's great for taking record shots, but it's not going to win any awards, and probably not going to be the right quality to post on Facebook, Instagram, or anything else other than for your own personal use. So from that point of view, I'd probably steer you more towards camera system that's more traditional, where you can interchangeable lenses, you've got a higher megapixel, you can shoot in RAW, whereas the Canon PowerShot Zoom only shoots in JPEG. Overall, it's quite a difficult decision to say whether or not I can recommend it, because in some instances it provides a lot of value, in others you're a little bit hindered by it. What I can say though is, for a newer birder, the functionality to be able to take a photograph or an image of a bird that you're not sure about, to transfer that image from Bluetooth to your phone, and then to use one of the smart applications to help you identify the bird, it would really add a lot of value. That's a feature we're going to be testing out with the Bird Pro app in the coming weeks, which we're really excited to be showing you. And yeah, we'll go through that as and when, once we're able to. Thanks so much again for watching, everyone. And if you like this video, hit the like button. It really helps us to grow our channel. And if you like this video as well, consider subscribing.